Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nasriah binti Zakaria and I will present to you the communication and social behavior of elephants. The Asian elephant, scientifically known as Elephas maximus, also known as the Asiatic elephant, is a majestic and iconic creature that holds a significant place in the cultural, ecological, and historical tapestry of Asia. As one of the largest land animals on Earth, the Asian elephant captivates the imagination with its immense size, intelligent demeanor, and unique physical features. Asian elephants are primarily found in the tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, including countries such as India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, Malaysia, and Indonesia. They inhabit diverse habitats ranging from dense forests and grasslands to wetlands and even mountainous regions. The research of field trip was conducted at Kuala Kandah Elephant Conservation Center. The Kuala Kandah Elephant Conservation Center is an elephant sanctuary located in Temerloh in the state of Pahang, Malaysia, within the Kraut Wildlife Reserve. The center was established in 1989 by the Malaysian Department of Wildlife and National Parks and forms a base for the elephant relocation team. Since 1974, they have been rescuing Asian elephants whose habitats are being lost to cultivation or development and relocating them to suitable habitats such as Taman Negara. The animals involved in this field trip are of course elephants. At the National Elephant Conservation Center, the total number of elephants here are 26. Of the 26, 5 are male elephants, while the other 21 are females. The oldest elephant found here is Lokimala, aged 84, a female elephant brought in from Assam, India in 1974. Observing the social and non-social behavior of elephants in a zoo setting involves methods such as direct observation, video recordings, behavioral ethogram, and data analysis. The elephant was closely monitored and documented of their behaviors, interactions, and vocalization. Video recordings allow for detailed analysis and playback. Direct observation on elephants was observed for 10 minutes. The time in tool use is 2 minutes and the ethogram were created. The ethogram of elephant behavior was created as shown in the table below. Now, let's take a look at the results on how the elephant communicates with each other. The first one is acoustic communication. Acoustic communication looks at sound production and hearing in elephants. Elephants can produce a wide array of sounds from rumbles to roars, cries, barks, and trumpets, and a lot more in between. By far the most used vocal sound by elephant is the rumble. Secondly, chemical communication. Chemical communication explains how elephants use various secretions and their acute sense of smell to communicate. Chemical communication provides an energetically efficient and long-lasting signals. Next, visual communication. Visual communication looks at how elephants make use of postures, displays, and their sense of sight in communication. They also communicate through tactile communication. This communication describes how elephants make use of their sense of touch to communicate. The last one is seismic communication. Seismic energy transmits most efficiently between 10 to 40 Hz in the same range as the fundamental frequency and second harmonica of an elephant rumble. The elephant use seismic signals to communicate with each other, as seismic vibrations are generated by elephants during certain infrasonic vocalization known as rumbles. Social behavior is the interaction between two or more distinct animals within the same species, whereas non-social behavior is the behavior of one individual species when they are alone. The result of social and non-social behavior has been recorded as follows. Now, we go to the data analysis of the recorded results. The graph bar shows the frequency of social behavior of elephants that been recorded for 10 minutes. From this graph, it shows that the waving trunk behavior is the highest frequency during first 2 minutes of time interval, while there are no touching trunk that had been recorded for the early 2 minutes. Additionally, at 5th time of interval, the frequency of 3 social behaviors, which are trumpeting, touching trunk, and trunk waving, were same to each other. Let's move to the non-social behavior of elephants. The graph bar below shows the frequency of movement behavior of flapping ear has been increased as the time increased. This is because the most elephants frequently flap their ears to increase the airflow over their skin to lose heat faster and cool down their entire body. In the meantime, the movement of head swaying decreased as the time increased. Next, this slide shows the result generated using SPSS software for the correlation between social and non-social behavior of elephants. As we can see, the data discovered that both social and non-social behavior are negatively correlated to each other. This means when social behavior increases, non-social behavior will decrease, and contrary-wise. As a conclusion, this field trip managed to give us a better picture and deeper knowledge on how the elephant communicates with each other and their amazing behavior that has discovered.